one of our projects is creativity in the time of COVID-19. We call it the COVID Project. It aims to look at how people have used creativity throughout the pandemic to help them kind of cope with all the feelings they're having and all the events that are going on in the world.
Okay, so one of our projects in the lab is the poetry project, where we analyze people's aesthetic responses to poetry. So we have people read through a poem and highlight the parts that they like in green and the parts they don't like in red. And then we kind of combine and aggregate all of those responses and analyze them.
Well, I am one of the co-leaders of the music and narrative research group, and so basically what we've been doing right now is having different kinds of students listening to a 1-minute instrument, and there's only one instrument, and then we have like several pieces of that, so different instruments, and we analyze their results and see if there's any like correlation between what they are imagining or like seeing stories, or if they're just having memories, and how that reflects along with the pieces.
I would say from my specific role, I've gotten to learn how to work with other people and a little bit about leadership. And then about the actual research, I've learned a lot about just COVID in general and how it's impacted people, specifically from marginalized communities, and how people cope with it. So it's been really cool to look into that.
I feel like being through this lab, I've really learned just like how impactful like this type of research is. I've usually done more like benchtop research and this, but I feel like this one really digs deeper into like the emotional aspect, and I feel like on like a national level, like we're doing a lot with COVID-19 and just like how that affected people emotionally and how they coped with the pandemic. And I feel like that's just something a lot of people can relate to, so it's better, it's easier to like get your research out there, and we're able to like go at a national level and share that with everyone.
Yeah, I also feel like I've learned a lot. It's been really interesting to, as an English major, be able to do more like interdisciplinary science work and kind of see how all of these areas work together. And I feel like it's been a great experience learning about just what professional and like university level research and writing looks like.